Hello, my name is Jacob Davis. I'm a junior mechanical engineering major at Southern Polytechnic State University. The purpose of my speech today is to inform the audience of how important technical, or STEM, education is. The people who can do math are more successful than people who can't. A major focus of schools today should be to teach students technical subjects in order to increase their chances of being employed upon graduation and to give them the tools to succeed in life. The STEM fields, which include science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, are all difficult academically, but they are also very rewarding. Even without a degree in one of these technical fields, the problem solving skills that you learn in these subjects carry over to the rest of life. According to the National Association of Colleges and Employers, the highest paying starting salaries in the country are all from degrees in technical fields. Without a foundation in mathematics in these fields, students will have trouble in other areas of life, such as personal finance. The U.S. government and various other agencies are making a big push to increase competency for all students in STEM fields. So, we all like to make money. The STEM fields are actually the top paying degree choices. For the class of 2013 in the spring, the top 7 paying majors right after graduation for entry-level jobs were all technical majors. The top 7 were petroleum engineering, computer engineering, chemical engineering, computer science, aerospace engineering, mechanical engineering, and electrical engineering. And the average starting salary of a petroleum engineer was $96,200. So, what is it that they teach in STEM fields that make their students so valuable? Well, besides having a mastery in a certain discipline of engineering or science, STEM students also have a few qualities they all share. The first is that technical subjects require a lot of problem solving. Computer scientists must be able to write and debug programs and algorithms. Engineers have to solve physical problems that have to do with structures, electricity, machines, chemicals. And scientists must hypothesize about new ideas and come up with solutions to problems in physical and life sciences. And the second thing is that all technical students require a solid foundation in mathematics. Math also teaches problem-solving skills, as students have to translate real-world problems into a mathematical language using numbers and algebraic symbols, and then use those tools they've learned to solve these problems, and then finally put the numbers back into real words. These mathematical tools, or theorems, are proven, and they're always accurate, and they can be applied to many situations. Even students of subjects other than STEM fields can use math to help balance a budget, make accurate measurements in the kitchen, or even how to measure the square footage of a room. Math and problem solving in general are not only important to employers, but useful in everyday life. So, what are we doing to make sure that students are learning these subjects? Well, the U.S. Department of Education, as well as the Georgia Department of Education, are constantly updating curriculum to include more advanced math and science lessons. They are funding and expanding science lab work and putting a lot more emphasis on math curriculum. For example, kindergartners are going through mastering addition and subtraction now to 6th graders that learn statistics all the way to advanced placement calculus and statistics in high school. There's just so many more opportunities now, and they're pushing the curriculum a lot faster than they used to. There's also free online programs, and Khan Academy would be an example of a good one that gives students basically tutoring or video lessons that they can complete on their own or with their parents, and they go step by step through all the things that the children may have missed, and they have activities and practice exercises that the students can do to reinforce the fundamentals. Also, the National Science Foundation, which is a federal agency that was created by Congress in 1950 that supports a large amount of academic research in the sciences, engineering, and mathematics, has an annual budget of $7 billion. And they spend much of this money on what they call ground-up initiatives, which are designed to teach young children the basics of science and mathematics. So with these tools, there are endless possibilities for students. So, like I said, the STEM fields are very crucial to every student's education. They make for the highest paying starting salaries, they give students tools to succeed in all aspects of life. There are lots of ongoing efforts to improve the quality and the funding of technical education in America. Like I said, they're doing increased funding and efforts to improve curriculum, and every student should have the ability to succeed and find quality employment upon graduation from high school or college. So, once again, my name is Jacob Davis, and thank you for listening.